Today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 215 different strategies, with 71 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator, and so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 104 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we get started, I wanted to announce that we are doing a giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of March and the winners will be announced then. There will be 3 winners, and the winners will get a 1-month free membership to our Patreon, which will give you access to all the Patreon benefits, including access to the Academy of Forex indicator, again for that 1 month. If you are already a patron of the channel, you will be refunded that monetary value of the difference. To be eligible to win, you will need to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, like this video, and leave a comment just saying hi or whatever you want to say. And you also need to join the Discord. That is the most important part. That is where the winner will be picked and announced. And again, this ends at the end of March of 2024. So today's source video says, if you are a loser trader, do this in 2024. Definitely an interesting title there. I think it's interesting anytime the creators specifically identify a specific year. I mean, I know they're doing it for the search engine purposes to make YouTube's algorithm happy, but still, I think it's weird because, I mean, a strategy is going to work. It's not going to, stop working within a year's time or something along those lines. If it works, and it'll work for a while. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. And so, kind of playing on people who aren't profitable. Anyways, so of course we're going to go ahead and put this claim to the test and see what we can get out of the strategy. So let's go ahead and hide these 2 indicators here. The first indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the breakout finder, this one right here. And it will look like this right here. So basically you get these arrows like this, blue arrows and red arrows, I believe, and these kind of lines identifying where the breakout's taking place. But we'll go ahead and jump into the settings, and under the inputs, with the max breakout length, you're going to change that to 100, and the threshold rate %, you're going to change that to 2. Click OK, and then the next indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the volume supported linear regression. So this one right here, the volume supported linear regression trend. So you'll add that to the screen, and it'll look similar to this here. We're going to go ahead and jump into the settings again. Under the short term, you're going to change that to 45. The long term, you're going to change that to 90. Jump into the styles. The plots here on the very first selection, you'll leave that one on. The plot here, the second plot selection, you'll go ahead and turn that off. Click OK, and you should have what I have on screen now. So what we're looking for a long trade is a blue arrow from the breakout finder like this right here. We're then going to look down to the linear regression, and we want that to be green. It doesn't matter if it's vibrant, bright green, or the duller green. Either way, green will work. And so once those there line up, that's going to be our signal into a long trade. We're going to set our stop just right below this last kind of pivot right here. And then we're going to target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward like we normally have right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes just a little bit there, but we eventually stair step our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is the red arrow here from the breakout indicator, the breakout finder. And then we're going to look down to the linear regression trend, and we want that to be red. Again, it doesn't have to be the bright red, any red will work. Once those line up, that's going to be your signal into a short. Set it right there. We're going to put our stop just right above this last kind of pivot right there, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go and play this forward and see what we get. And that one makes a really nice drop there, getting us to our take profit pretty easy. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we've got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall gain of negative $1,000, or overall drawdown of negative $1,000. And so definitely not something you want to do in 2024 or any year in general. And so even if you are not a profitable trader, do not try this strategy here. Doesn't look like it's going to work out too well for you. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 51 trades altogether. We had 44 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $26,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for a total gain of $20,100. So significantly better results. I think that was over about 1 month of trading. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals here. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. We keep track of the signals each week we get. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 8 trades altogether, 5 winning trades, 3 losing trades, putting it at a 62% win rate. The gain would have been $660. With the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 4 winning trades, a 100% win rate, and the gain would have been $2,400 for an overall gain of $3,060. At the 16-week marker now, we would have been up $29,140 over 146 trades. You can see more information about the strategy here and some of the stats on it, and you can see the account growth right there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, obviously, and then we'll move on to the next video from here.